With just a few simple steps, you can manage over 1,000 YouTube accounts at the same time. Sounds crazy? Watch till the end and you'll see how it works. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chung Social Tools channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add multiple YouTube accounts into the MKT Tube software, quickly, safely, and automatically. Let's open the software first. This is the main interface of MKT Tube. Step 1. Click on Account Management. Here, you can manage unlimited Gmail and YouTube accounts. Next, let's create a category. Click the plus icon, name your category, like YouTube Edu. Then hit Reset Data and Load. Now let's add accounts. Click Add Account, copy your list of accounts, and paste them into the big input box. Select the category. Choose the format: Gmail, password, recover email. And click Save. Once it says Success, click Reset Data and Load again. Your accounts will show up below. Let's add proxies. Open your proxy file, copy all lines. Select your accounts, right-click, and choose Paste Proxy, one by one. Finally, to log in, just select the accounts, right-click, choose Select, then click Login YouTube. The software will automatically log in all accounts for you. And that's it. Super simple, right? If you're interested in this software, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp or Telegram at @tuchungmkt. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I've got more tutorials coming up.